Thursday night, the track would take all the power you could put to it.
I'll put it.
Going nice and steady with the full box. Okay, the distance. Okay, the green flags are out, green lights are on this sled. And if you've seen this, you watch pulling on television, you've seen this sled. This sled is used in national pulls. It can weigh anywhere between 35,000 or 32,000 or 45,000. When you start seeing the smoke, he's going to feel like he has enough boost in the turbos, enough fuel going in, and then he gets down hard on the throttle.
Not yet, he did. Tomorrow, he said. 246.13 feet.
I don't know what the hell's going on there. That clouds do not look good. Oh. Come on.
That sounded like you just shifted that. Gotta go better than 246, and I do believe he did it. I'll have the distance in a minute. 254.39. So Miles out of Mount Cobb, turning that Volvo loose. He's got a lot of speed. Let's see, he's got to go better than 246. And he did, at 252.71. The Volvo's the truck to catch now. That by listening to how his brother thought the track was.
All right.
Okay, now it's coming alive. .21 feet. 240.21. Oh, the Mack is blowing some black smoke. Rolling call. Here we go.
Oh, yeah.
Notice he's running over on the right side of the track. He's looking for something that hasn't been torn up yet, open for more traction. .236.84 feet. Can I have your attention, please? Safety issues are, there is lightning right behind all you people in the stands. They would like you to clear the stands, go off the fairgrounds, and the security will gladly let you come back in. That big Detroit's going off 5,000 miles. The distance is 288. 280.48 feet. Okay, we got a hold of it. Oh, once the box came up, that was the end. 254.53 feet.
Oh, mud slinging. Full pull, baby.